There you are! Damn it! Stop dodging! This is for Hiccup. You monster! What? Jack! Hiccup! You're alive? You're alive! Yes, I'm alive, Jack. I don't understand. I was cursed. Pitch. He cursed me. I can't leave the lake, otherwise I'll turn back into a dragon. And even then, I won't turn back unless the moonlight hits onto the water. Oh, God. I thought... I almost... It's okay. It's okay. It's not your fault, Jack. You didn't know. How could you know? But you're here now. And that's all that matters.